So this is one of our customers' layouts from the store. Him and his wife have done just a phenomenal job of building this layout. There's tons and tons of detail. Here's a water park. It's pretty cool. And he's incorporated family members and businesses all around here that represent his family, and so it's really, really neat. He's got the farms, a dairy farm, and he uses a whole bunch of other people's kits over the years that have been built. It's almost like a historical thing because there's kits from so many different manufacturers out here. And also he's scratch built quite a bit of things too. So really, really makes the layout stand out nicely. And I got to take you around the other side here because he's got interiors in a lot of the buildings and things like that. So you saw a little Christmas scene there on that building there, and you see the donut place back there, a Walther's kit. And I'll duck under there too and shoot from another couple different angles of some of the stuff that's in here, but that I could zoom in, but I think it's better if I, get up close to them. So this is looking pretty good. I'm gonna shut the camera off here for a second. I'll be right back. So here's the other angle, and aliens are here. So get ice. No. Oh, planetary provisions, yeah. So come along in here, and see he's got these buildings that look really, really nice. You can see figures in the background. There's a garage. It's got a nice interior in it. That's really cool. Bruce has worked on cars all his life, so it's got the fashion shop back there, Nordstrom. So really, really neat. I'm very impressed with what they've done. Pat made all the trees and a lot of the backdrop stuff, right, Bruce? That's what you were saying?
Yeah, she built the flats.
Yeah, and the flats, right. And the signs. So I'm gonna sneak down on in the middle here in a second. Anyway, here's another view of the, there's a building being torn down, and here's another view of the water park. And show you the other side of the farms. See, it's pretty cool. And he's got a drag race about to happen here. So I just think it's neat because you got, all the different structures that he has here. The level of detail's pretty well up there. And you said Pat built the carousel?
Yeah, she did. Built and painted it. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, that's really cool. And the pavilion back there looks really neat too. Yeah. So, poles in the background, tree-lined streets. Donut shop. And a miniature golf course. That's pretty cool. So, and the Swift plant. But looks really nice. he's got a lot of stories behind a lot of these structures too, things that he's made up stories about, and kind of neat when you can do that, build that into your layout. So anyway, hope you enjoy this, and hopefully I'll be posting a video of my layout shortly also. Take care, everyone.